Yo, people, I'm moving here right now, bad and ramble. Better not tell me say I go on, people. Although me up on my dying bed right now. Boy, a Babylon named Chris Rich. Chris shit that man. See the boy a GTT la show in my suit. My suit I wear go a long time show from in England. China look a man and I give man my clothes them and all my shoes them, all shoes them. My shoes them where Mark, where are you when you were new? Up at England pan Gulliver foot. Yeah. Let me tell you something, man. All them boy, they want to see the boy try to walk through the crowd. You know, I'm all clothes them. Clothes them and resign from foreign dog. Want to look like Gulliver. Chin all go as far as we all send the boy them a foreign with me on tour. I watch her, you know. Me and Chin go. Trinidad where they, you know. And Chin carry one of the youth on tour, you know. Anyhow, Spicy talk the truth, you know. She talk the truth, you know. And Spicy talk the truth. And Chin and the boy sleep. Chin wait till me drop asleep in the night in my hotel room. Chin wake up asleep with the boy and Tatik. Tatik is a nerd. Tatik mouth always ready. You know what I'm love doing, you know. Nyam meat to pepper can't go pan. Them boy there nyam meat can't cook. Yo, one Chris Rich and nyam meat. And a fuck a chin from me, you just suck a chin from me. Trust me. I'm not disrespect. I'm not talk nothing bad about Chin. But Chin is a big criminal. Chin just scam whole heap of money. Just scam the people their money. Booking people show, taking people money. Yeah. But the foreign, they send on 10,000 US here, Chin, but not send it piece. And you take the money, pay a dance at night time, money pull up. No matter. The money pull up still help me. Yeah. But you know, you have my money and mind them, boy. You have my money and try bust other artists. But Chin it now go work. Look now. I'll probably die in bed and many and go live up, you know. The end of the day, you know. And me and the man, you know. You know, so you start though. Eh? Me buy your computer, Chin. Me buy your printer machine, Chin. Me buy a big 70. The biggest camera them, 70 gigabyte one name. You can zoom up people from over Cuba. You see a Jamaican zoom people from Cuba. Get everything for your comfort, Chin. Chin, you stop sleep on kaya bed, Chin. You sleep in a good bed. Chin, you come out man you go around, Chin, and nobody couldn't help you. I'm going to step out of the gully, Chin, and help you. Yeah. The media did a warn me about your Chin. All of the media warn me about your Chin. Me still a burn out the Chin. Me still a burn out the media and I say, sure. But Chin, you blind me. Where you put over my eye, Chin? I'm like I can't see so far, Chin. Chin, the world knows that I love you, Chin. The world knows that I love you. The world knows that I not trick you, Chin. The world knows that I give you things. All the hospital bed could attack you, Chin. Chin, let me tell you why people know that I deal with a good Chin. Let me tell you why I know people know that I deal with a Chin. You know, long down my bus, 1 year straight down my bus. And a rental yard drive, Chin. Rental yard drive straight, Chin. And a 6 grand a day. Check up 1 year with a 6 grand, Chin. Yeah. So right now, my life has started all over, Chin. So Chin, you see all you get rid, you're gone. But you can't take no furniture out of my house, Chin. You can't take nothing out of my house. Chin, when you can't go a country where you come from, Chin, that's far from civilization, Chin. Not even street light where you come from, Chin. Not even light post where you come from, Chin. But let me tell you something, Chin. So I did in the gully, one light post in the right at the gully edge. With a street light on it, JPS put up that, Chin. So Chin, all we are going with, Chin, it's not going to work, Chin. Chin, you do a whole heap of bad things. Whole heap of bad things. I'm going back to show a big sheet over it, so. Take off. So what you do? Yeah. So, if you don't feel, say, when Chin lock up in a car and claim to me, do Chin nothing. I don't do Chin nothing. I don't do Chin nothing. Chin, but them boss and me, then soon get better, you know. It now go in there for ever and ever, Chin. Soon get better. See me at the show down a girl in Buddy Bunks last night. So you feel say me I go stay a country. I just trick you. You call me up on my phone. But you there, Bob? I say, I'm in the country, you know. Then time they have the boy them in my house asleep. You have the boy them in my house asleep. Lock me out of my house for 3 weeks straight now for the Mandeville. The whole of the people man, a man will see me down there from where they and Christian and thing, you know. People when I did down there, you know, I was telling them no lies, I'm on vacation. I chin locked me out of my own house. And they are mob here with the key. This boy, you know, when name, but they have no name, it's not so important. Mark one. I drive around Trin all over the place. I trail to find him there. But Mark one, remember me tell you, you know, Mark one. Watch it. Stop spy on me. Because I not do nothing wrong. Things go as far as to talk about cocaine and them things there. People, any cane when you have a sugar cane, I can stop me sugar cane because I not teeth. Here people, she try to live in the past, she try to flap me. She not voice note that says she must flap my career, you know. But she cannot flap my career. The real love me, God put more in the chin. I know media, God put more in there. And the people them love my story chin. Chin me there England, me send crazy pound come get chin. I mean, I make madman come out of gully. I mean make madman stop staying at the park down a town. 50-year-old. Me make a 80-year-old man say, oh, me nah give up life because gully but put me back on my foot. Chin all pastor in a church rate me chin. Chin everybody rate me, all the grandparents in my country rate me chin. Chin me make you have everything for your comfort, chin. Everything. So what is all about? What is all about? Chin, you don't want nothing in life. Because you come off a king size bed and they ask you to sleep on couch. And it burn me, it hurt my feelings, it make me cry. I tell you that, my girl, you see you, Chin, you're not gonna fall around 26. I mean, no want your life to drop down, I still want you to survive. I hope them can help you. And don't help you down. Because all you have to do for me that like you're me that queen. Let me tell you something. I'm many on social media. I'm many on Facebook. I'm many on groupie.
My God.
I'm many on everything. I'm say, my God. I'm say every girl want to work off for me.
Yes.
Chin, you alone can't get work off for me. Another girl needs space. Yeah. And you need a space, I'm going to give you space. You have your friend on an arcade named Pat. Me see you burn out Pat whole heap of time. And to the end of the day, you in a Pat house asleep on floor, chin, board floor. But wipe and shine polish. You know, tired of red oak rubber up on your chin. You don't want to live good life. Yeah. You don't want to live good life like a girl. You don't want nothing in life. You stay there with Tommy Lee, me know, and go and like me no know. Chin chin, me go and like me no know. You like with the water glass. So till you all over there asleep on plaza. And me take you off a plaza and put you in another yard. Right now, me the doctor, you know. You see me? All the landlord, all the dog. Right now, Chin have a little dog up at the yard named Zori. I show you Chin wicked, you know. And Chin lock out the dog on the car approach, on the porch under the balcony, you know. For weeks and the dog not eat. People have to lean up plywood to climb up and get the dog water and them. The flowers them dead out, everything dead out. Me the foreigner send crazy money for Chin. And Chin I take my money and mine crazy man. I mean no. But you
step 2016.
Yeah. Me know say at 2016 I come from a new thing I go go on. Me never say none. Chin all you put out on Facebook with me man. It now go work in a Chin.
Yes.
Chin right now. If me ever look on the road and say, go get her.
True.
Them will get you in a Chin. And them not want to beat you.
Yes.
Them not want to tear off your clothes off of you. You run to a police station, you know where I'm at, Chin. The boy ain't have no bed up a Barbican. You want a king size bed to go in? No baby. Ain't going. Ain't working. You want the one and still not going to get it. Because some poor people don't say I'm going to give them it. Chin, me have fridge in my house. I have gas stove in my house. Yeah. And let me tell you something, people. This is a history that one have to go viral. Me have a gas in my house. And I tell you about a 30-pound gas. 1 year long and it can't done. Why? Chin no cook. Me have rice in my house, flour in my house, sugar, everything in my thing. And I tell you so we bland yam them down people. Sometimes you have to make our family in my jungle come for food. And still I give them it.
So
all the helper come at the yard.
The
helper now have to keep no food, you know. She can't just take them because she say weeble in them.
People love you this man.
Let me tell you something, man. Chin a whole heap of things ago. Chin me stove cold. Me never wake up one morning and feel me stove. And me stove him warm. You know where all of my money gone? In a breakfast and a price right chin. In the morning you can buy patty and coffee, KFC, Kentucky chicken, yeah, pie pies, all those things, all those things, all those things. Yeah, all those things. Burger King, I never Burger King or Burger Queen, but you love it. Look now, all those things. Chin we have banana in the house, bunch of banana I see them ripe. Yam sitting in my house and grow. And I dig yam out of my rubbish pan in my house. Dig yam and I dirt night. Yo people, one time I come in my house, I'm smart, I'm streetwise. I spell on my name on the dresser. Write it like a blackboard I write on my finger. Blackboard. Chin in a dust house, in a spread bed. I'm talking the truth. I'm talking the truth. Look. A man don't supposed to have a gas in him house 1 year and he can't done. That's me no cooking. People, me not tell no lie. Look how fridge cold. And me have egg in my fridge so tell me see the hatch. Hatch. She not fry her egg and give me a slice of bread. Put up bread. Me show off the people can't tell you. You see when me go Mega Mart to go shopping, 100,000 we are shopping, 200,000. We have bills can show. Bills. Me there foreign chin book show collect 5,000 US, 6,000 US from that one day, 3,000 US from that one day, at the advance in the people. Believe you me people, me not lying. Me not see none of them money when I come back to Jamaica. When Chin said I look bad, she take the money and buy a king size bed. Now she tell me say, me buy it in my name, everything in my house buy in my name. And no. I know that everything buying your house Chin, because I cannot see it foreign and buy nothing in my name.
Yes.
So I have to send the money to give you to buy things to put in my house. Chin, you know, have nothing. Chin, you know, I left my house, but think I come and go with you know. I'm going to think you can't take out of my house, you know, Chin. I just say looks. I just say looks alone in my house. And all those clothes when I buy your Chin, I don't need them. You can have them. 2 bed in there, you can take the queen bed, but you cannot get my king bed. I have 2 flat screen TV there, so big they can't come to my door. You can have 1. You can get 1 sheet. Yeah, I'm still now flap out your career. I'm going to give you things that you want and let you buy. But I'm going to tell you, Chin, you would have never live to get a man like Gully Bob in your LIFE. Remember me tell you, I turn you all in an artist. Look how much artists are there around Chin and none of them couldn't make you be an artist. I'm going to think they want to swipe out your little life. Swipe you out, make you be a swipe. Make you be a swipe king, Chin. Chin, no bowings never go on in my house, Chin. Chin, no bowings never go on in my house. From my born, Chin, I never play face to waist. My face never go near your waist. Never. Let me tell you. You saw me straight? The gully man. Chin, all those kisses on Facebook with me and you. It was fake. You said it. Me have it record. You know me smart, Chin. Me smart. I'm going to tell you me trick you, Chin. Me put all my phone on record and left it in the house and gone left you. A record. And all the conversation we have on phone with other people, it's a record. When I come sometime I full. I can star a movie out of Chin. Chin, when you do the print and the computer and all those things I buy. Sell them back for the money pull up a dance. You know, see nothing now going for your dance again, Chin. You could have gone give boom boom and 500 US and 600 US. I pay them money that Chin you that dash in a dance. You know. People when last time I see Chin can do money pull up. It OVER. Yeah. Up to the little that Baba can run him. In a dark glass stand up in a corner like them a bad man. It's not bad man, those are Batman. Yeah. And Batman alone in a Batman gang. See a little he that one on a GT tailor with you with my camera on my bike. A $1,500 I pay for my camera. 15. Remember me telling you now, 1,500 to pay for my camera. US. And Miami, me there and walk out the whole of Miami and can't get it so till me find it. Tell me see the boy I want my camera up, I just take my camera from him. Want to see my look big clown. But me say, I don't want to bum from my friends, so I give people things and take it.